Hey everybody, just a quick update. A few weeks ago I did a tyre pressure monitoring system review and unbox, etc. and installation on the motorbike, on the BMW, and I was delighted and am still delighted with it. It's a great product, and there'll be a link somewhere below in a minute when I've worked out how to do that on the YouTubes to that actual review. However, when I did that review I did say I was going to get one for my ute. I drive a Hilux and I've got 4 big chunky tyres on it, and they're not cheap. I want to keep an eye on the tyre pressures to get best value and of course get the best amount of fuel economy that I can get. So I did then of course manage to get hold of one for the ute, as I said I would. I'll show you it. That is basically the system. It's solar powered and it tells you my tyre pressures and the temperatures that they are running at, and I think it is outstanding. It's what a great product, superb. I'm not done an unboxing on it, don't need to, and I'm not going to do an installation because it's common sense. You basically get 4 sensors, 1 per tyre. These replace your dust caps as per. They've got a little bit of a battery inside which are replaceable, and they send wirelessly a signal to the display. Now they're bigger than that for the car, and I think that's probably because they need a slightly bigger battery, because they're having to work just a touch harder to send the signal to the actual monitor. That's the one off the motorbike, a bit smaller, but great product. And as I say, you just install them, plug and play, and it just works. That one's solar powered that I've got on the dash. I think it was $84 or $88 retail, and I got mine from australiandirect.com.au. I'm sure there'll be somebody in your country, if you're not in Australia, where you can get one from, or maybe just contact them and then maybe they'll post one out internationally. Brilliant bit of kit and accurate, and I highly recommend them. Do it.